everybody, it's Neil. Sorry my room is a mess, but I want to show you all what I have here. I have a multifunctional reading pillow for my bed here. Let's give this thing a try and see how this is. Let's see if we can open this up. It's got a lot of tape on it. Pressing it so much. And it's by IGOHEALS is what it is. IGOHEALS. There we go. Okay, so here's the bag for it. We will open this up. And guess what? Inside, oh, you guys can't even see. Okay, inside, there's another bag here. So let's see what it says. Open it up. Well, these guys must have some sort of cornering the market on tape because everything here is just ridiculously taped up. And opening this is going to be a big challenge. Okay, so there, we got that and that done. Now, we have another bag here. It looks like it's super compressed. Let's see. And, whoo, look at that. I opened up. There's no way this is ever getting back into a bag again. Don't know why it comes with a bag. It'll never get back in there. And this is what it looks like here. So look at this. It's like a reading little desk. So if I'm sitting back here, I can have my legs through here and have a little desk. I can push it all the way back here. I can probably even put my iPad or something like that on here while I'm sitting here just reading or watching something or whatever. Got a nice comfy pad. It's like being in a seat. How cool is that? Really comfy. It's made out of like memory foam. It's pretty hard here on top. It's good. It's like really nice. And you can see it's got a good shape to it, and it's got the place for your legs to go through here. Got a little pocket on the side there. I guess you could put the remote or something in there. One on the other side as well. Got those. So really cool. So a nice little device here. And so you just wrap it around you, makes you feel comfy, and you can do your reading or whatever. I guess you could use this on the couch or anywhere. I just figured I'd try it in the bed. I'm gonna leave it over here, and I'll probably be using it tonight. Thumbs up.